Hundreds of years ago, people found that metals made good money. People valued bronze and copper, which could be cut into small pieces just right for carrying around. To know how much each piece was worth, people just had to weigh it. The heavier the piece of metal, the more it was worth. These pieces became the first coins. Then coins were made from silver and gold. People wanted silver and gold, so they were happy to trade for silver and gold coins. But carrying many coins is difficult, so paper money was invented. The first paper money was like a printed promise, a promise that the money could be taken to a bank and traded for silver and gold coins. In the United States, people no longer use silver and gold coins as money. But paper money still has value because you can use it to buy things. You can use paper money to buy bread, furniture, and clothing. You can use it to buy a house. You can even use paper money to buy silver and gold. Each country has its own money. In the United States, people use dollars. In Mexico, people use pesos. In Israel, new shekels. In Russia, rubles. In China, yuan. In Canada, dollars. In South Africa, rand. And in Brazil, reais. People in many of the countries in Europe use euros, promissory note. Mexico, Europe, China, Brazil. The value of money in each country keeps changing. One US dollar may be worth 10 Mexican pesos one day and a little more or less the next day. Your dollar may be worth 7 Chinese yuan one day and slightly more or less the next day. $2, $1, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, red, Mexican peso, yellow, Chinese yuan. The value of each country's money goes up when prices go down in that country. When that happens, the dollar buys more. The value of each country's money goes down when prices go up in that country. When prices go up, the same dollar buys less. When prices go down, the value of a dollar goes up. For example, when a scoop of ice cream costs $1, each dollar buys one scoop. If prices go down and a scoop of ice cream now costs just 50 cents, a dollar buys double what it bought before. Now a dollar buys 2 scoops of ice cream. The value of a dollar in relation to ice cream went up. As prices in a country go down, not just for ice cream but for many, even most things, the value of its currency goes up. Checks and credit cards are money too, because they can be used to buy things. Some people even use digital money. With digital money, there is a computer record of the money in an account. When you spend that money to buy a book or download music, the amount you spend is subtracted from your account. Even though you cannot see digital money, it's still money because it can be used to buy things. Book orders, $15, Abe Lincoln. $15, Mary Cash. $15, Connie Coin. $15, Uncle Sam. We no longer live in a world with just hunters and food gatherers. We live in a world with dancers, teachers, doctors, astronauts, dentists, and bakers. Without money, it's hard to imagine what a dancer would trade to buy a car. Without money, it's hard to imagine what a teacher would trade to buy a sweater. It's hard to imagine a world without money.